So asimusa ukutotosa ungizwe. Ungizwe uyasangana uyahlanya, akahlanya ukuhlanya lokho kwangempela. Uhlanya ukuhlanya lokho ukuthi akazashawe. Iyona into emphethe kuphela ungizwe. Hayi ukuthi yini. Musana ukuvumela imsangano bafowethu. Musana ukuvumela imsangano. Siyazi ukuthi abanye ngenxa yokuthi ungizwe une following. Siyazi ukuthi abanye bahamba naye just to promote their brands, not because ungizwe bemthanda. Ngeke ungitshele ngomtebhosha iwingu lezi engenangqondo, izinto engenangqondo zonke lezi. Ungitshele ukuthi umtebhosha njengoba ehamba nongizwe uyaphila la ekhaya.
There's so much happening. There's so much happening that involves Ngizwe Mchunu and Phakel'umthakathi. You know, these two fellows, when they joined March and March in its actions, when March and March was protesting, you'd remember that March and March, we started to know about it last year, 2025. Then at the beginning of this year, just 2026, especially at the beginning of the academic year, that's when March and March intensified its program of action as it was responding to the dire call whereby South Africans were being excluded from the schools as the schools were accommodating foreigners at the expense of South Africans. That's where March and March intensified its campaigns. And then the likes of Ngizwe Mchunu then joined, and Phakel'umthakathi, not as members of March and March, but as collaborative effort whereby groupings unite under a common goal. But what has emerged after that is that, if anything, having people like Ngizwe Mchunu joining March and March has done a disservice to March and March. It has done a disservice because, let's be honest, Ngizwe Mchunu is a self-serving lunatic. He's a self-serving lunatic who believes that he is correct all the time. He's in the same mold with the likes of Julius Malema, the people who believe that whatever they say goes. Even at times when they are hating the movement, they don't see it. So I think the lesson to be learned here is that anyone who's serious about achieving anything and making a meaningful impact, they can never associate themselves with Ngizwe Mchunu. He is a liability. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Nkosikhona. The name of the platform is The Hard Truth SA. Thank you very much.